Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Arabic reading practice with comprehension for beginners with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, get yourself a paper and a pen, please. I'll dictate, you write it before you say it. Shall we? Let's try. هذا, you know هذا, we've done several times. هذا, 3 letters, that's an easy one, which means this. It can mean this is as well. هذا, okay. So هذا الشاب. هذا الشاب. So الشاب, how many letters and what are they? الشاب. I can tell you, الشاب, 5 letters. There's one of them you are not hearing, and that is the lam. The reason being, there's a shadda after it. Whenever you have alif wal lam, which means the, followed by a letters carrying shadda, that lam will be suppressed. It's there, but you don't hear it. Hence we say, هذا الشاب, as if there is no lam, but there is. So هذا الشاب. الشاب, alif, lam, followed by sheen, shadda, fatha, and then lengthening alif, and then ba. هذا الشاب. You can see it's carrying shadda. Okay. That means this young man. This young man. هذا الشاب. This young man. Next one. يرتدي. يرتدي. How many letters and what are they? يرتدي. 5 letters, I reckon. يرتدي. As you can see now, ya fatha ya, followed by ra, sukun, yar, and then ta, fatha, yarta, and then dal, kasra, lengthening ya. Yartadi. Yartadi means is wearing. It's another verb to wear as well. We'll learn that later on. يرتدي. هذا الشاب يرتدي. This young man is wearing what? قميصا. قميصا. 5 letters. What are they? Try it for me. قميصا. As you can see now, it's qa, fatha, qa. Mim, kasra, lengthening ya. Qami, and then sod, carrying to fatha. Then you in fatha. Qamisan, with an alif by convention. Qamisan, that means shirt. هذا الشاب يرتدي قميصا. This young man is wearing a shirt, but let's describe it. The color, أزرق. 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 4 letters. What are they? أزرق. ألف, همزة, فتحة, ز, سكون, أز, and then ra, فتحة, and then قاف, فتحة, قا. That means blue. So this young man is wearing a blue shirt. هذا الشاب يرتدي قميصا أزرق. Okay. Next one. هذه. Again we learned هذه before, which is a feminine form of هذا. That means this or this is. هذه. هذه الشابة. هذه الشابة. الشابة. That's 6 letters. And that is, you can see we add ta marbuta. Instead of shabu, we say ashabatu. And that's mean young young woman. هذه شابة, this young woman. هذه شابة. Next, ترتدي. ترتدي. We have يرتدي for young man. Woman we say start with ta. ترتدي. ترتدي. 5 letters as you can see. That means he's wearing. هذه شابة ترتدي. Is he wearing? فستانا. That's where فستانا. فستانا. How many letters? فستانا. فستانا. 6 letters. فستانا. That means dress. فستانا. Can we describe it? Yes. فستانا أسود. أسود. فستانا أسود. أسود. 4 letters. ألف همزة فتحة سين سكون أس واو فتحة و دال فتحة د. أسود. That's mean black. هذه شابة ترتدي فستانا أسود. This young woman is wearing a black dress. Let's add to it. وحجابا. وحجابا. How many letters? وحجابا. That's 6 letters. و فتحة و ح. That's ح. That's a hard H. وحجا كسرة. وحجا جيم فتحة فتحة جاء لنهم ألف. وحجاب با تنوين فتحة أن ألف. وحجابا أن حجاب or scarf. وحجابا. Let's describe it. وحجابا أحمر. وحجابا أحمر. 4 letters. أحمر. ألف همزة فتحة أ ح. أح سكون. And then mim فتحة ما and ra فتحة را. أحمر means red. وحجابا أحمر and red scarf or red hijab. Okay, هذه شابة ترتدي فستانا أسود وحجابا أحمر. Okay. Next one. هذا الرجل. Let's try it. هذا, we know هذا. What's الرجل? الرجل, you can see that ألف واللام, there's a shadda after. That's why you're not hearing the lam. هذا that's shadda. هذا الرجل. هذا الرجل. الرجل ألف واللام. را فتحة, you have shadda. And then جيم ضمة. And then lam ضمة. هذا الرجل. الرجل means man. So this man, هذا الرجل, this man, يلبس. Let's use another verb. يلبس. يلبس. 4 letters. What are they? يا فتحة يا, لام سكون يل, and then با فتحة با. Sin dhamma. So يلبس is wearing. Before we use يرتدي, here يلبس. Wearing what? ثوبا. Make it easy. ثوبا. ثوبا. ثوب. ثوب. ثوبا. ثوبا. That's Arab dress. ثوبا. ثوبا. That's a فتحة واو سكون ثو. And then ban. Ban. فتحة. 2 فتحة with an alif. ثوبا describe أبيض. That's easy one. أبيض. 4 letters. ألف همزة فتحة أ با سكون أب يا فتحة يا and then ضاد فتحة ضاد. Not دال. ضاد. أبيض. White. As wearing white ثوب. Okay. Finally, هذه المرأة. Okay. هذه المرأة. Interesting word actually. هذه المرأة. المرأة means a woman. Let's analyze it a little bit. Very interesting actually. المرأة. Let's spell it first. المرأة. ألف ولام سكون لام and then ميم فتحة ما را سكون and then ألف همزة فتحة and then تا مربوطة. المرأة. Now المرأة means the woman. Now if we don't have if it's not defined, meaning if we don't have alif wa lam, it's actually written and pronounced imra'atu. Imra'atun. Alif, kasra, mim, sukun, and then ra, fatha, and then alif, hamza, fatha, and then ta marbuta. Imra'atun, that means a woman. But when it's defined like the woman, it becomes al-mar'atu. Interesting. Al-mar'atu. Furthermore, the plural of al-mar'atu or imra'atun doesn't actually derive directly from the singular. The plural is nisa'un. Nisa'un. Nun kasra ni, sin fatha sa, lengthen alif, and then hamza. Nisa'un. Or niswatun. You have two possible plural. Niswatun. Nun kasra ni, sin sukun nis, and then wa, and then tun. Niswatun. That means women. So a woman is imra'atun when it's not defined, or al-mar'atu when it's defined, but the plural completely different from the singular, which is very unlike Arabic. So nisa'un or niswatun, that's the plural. Okay, let's go back to the sentence. Shall we? Distracted, easily distracted. Okay. هذه المرأة, this woman, تلبس. تلبس is wearing. We have يلبس before. تلبس is wearing what? عباءة. 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 5 letters. عين فتحة A, ba fatha, and then lengthen alif. Aba, and then hamza on its own, and then ta marbuta. Aba'atan is wearing abaya. You can spell it ya as well. You can call it abayatan or aba'atan. Yes, both are correct. Aba'atan or abayatan instead of hamza. Abayatan. Can we describe it? Yes. Abaya, what's the color of it? بيضاء. أباية بيضاء. بيضاء. That's mean white. Bay, 2 letters. ضاء, 4. بيضاء. That's 5 letters. بيضاء, white and what? وزرقاء. وزرقاء. How many letters? وفتحة. وزر, 2 letters, that's 3. قا, that's 6 altogether. وزرقاء. زرقاء, that means blue. Well done for following the series, and please subscribe and send it for me around the globe. Thank you so much, and don't forget my charity. We're begging, we are desperate. Help us, please. Please click below and make your donation. Thank you so much for some of you who have done so. I'm very grateful. شكرا جزيلا. شكر الله لكم. جزاكم الله خيرا. أحسن الله إليكم وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله. الله معكم.